Looking for the best tankless water heaters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 tankless water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Rinnai 6.5 GPM V-Series Propane Outdoor Installation. Pros: this tankless water heater is certified for use in mobile homes and features an electronic ignition to help save you money on fuel costs. The temperature range of this unit is from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons: some individuals expressed a bit of frustration with the lack of clarity regarding the installation instructions. Bottom line: a high-efficiency propane tankless water heater that is designated for installation outdoors. At number 2. EcoSmart Eco 27 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Pros: dramatically reduces heating costs. Slim design. Digital display. Dial sets temperature from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Heats 6 gallons per minute. Never-ending hot water. Cons: works better in naturally warmer climates. Bottom line: this extremely energy-efficient tankless water heater is your best option if you live in hotter states like Florida, Texas, or Arizona. At number 1. Rheem X24 Residential Tankless Water Heater. Pros: energy efficient. Quick installation. Convenient digital display. Simple control knob. Easily supplies hot water to 3 showers and 2 faucets. Adjust heat from 80 to 140 degrees. Cons: the biggest regret buyers have is getting a unit too small for their needs. Bottom line: this tankless water heater easily covers multiple bathrooms and a kitchen, and it will save you money in the long run. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.